Hey you guys, it's your girls from the jam back to show you guys more inventory that I just got in. So we're not gonna take a long time with this, and yeah. So I got some new drill pins, and I also have some new canvases that I'm gonna put up in my on my website. So let me show you guys, and I also have a surprise at the end. Okay, so we'll do this one first. Like I said, you get your canvas and everything you need to go with it. So here's the beads. Of course, I have to check them, but here's the beads, and this is a full. Here's all the tools you need to do it, and this is Colorful Zebra. And yes, the whole canvas. Sorry about that, guys. If you heard that, that was my mom. But anyway, so yes, it's the full drill and the whole canvas. It's done, and it's going to be so pretty because it's colorful. And this is a 30 by 40. So that's the one I got in. Then I got, like I said, they come with the tools you need and the stuff. Then I got this. Isn't this cute? But it's a full drill, a full canvas. And that is going to be so cute. So yes, I also got this in. And this is a, it doesn't say. But I'm thinking this is 30 by 40 or 45 because I think it's a little bit longer than the other one. And it's super duper cute. I love it. So then I also get the small ones for kids. So I got this. This is really small. It's I think this is a 20 by 15. Yeah, 20 by 15. And I'm going to remove this so you guys can see it. But this is the picture. It's like a psychedelic Mickey and Minnie. Super sticky. And it is a full drill. Nice. Now, I told you guys that I ordered some more um, for me. So I'm going to show you guys that. Where did I just throw them? I'm trying to find them. Here we go. So I ordered me 4, and yes, I did pay for these because I don't want them to keep giving me free stuff. Even though we work together, when you guys buy them, of course, I make money off of that, so I'm not gonna, because they have to, I mean, you know, I don't want to just not pay for my stuff, guys. So, I ordered 4, like I told you guys, and I'm telling you, the shipping is so fast. But I want to get you guys personal orders first. Check it before I send it out to you guys. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I got this. I just put this in, I think, a week and a half ago, and I got them back the day before yesterday. So these are my 320 by 20 canvases I ordered. So they come with the picture. That's me and my oldest son. And of course, I think this is the one of me and my oldest son. Yeah. And these are the drills that go with it. So I'm gonna show you guys this one. So that's me and my oldest son. I can't wait to get it. Finish it. You guys, when you buy yours, I mean, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna get so addicted with doing these things, and they're gonna look so beautiful on your walls. So this is a picture of me and my baby boy, Zion. He was at church, and this is the thing for that. And I did check these. That's why it's pink. Because before you start your painting, you want to make sure you got all of your beads. So this is the picture of me and Zion, the funny man you guys love. I can't wait to finish that. It's a full drill. And then I got a small one of me and my mom. And this is ours. So they send you with a picture on it. Beautiful colors, teals and aquas. That was in my dress. You guys, the distributor I get this stuff from is the bomb. I'm telling you. He's not like the other people. I'm going to show you guys some messed up ones one day that I was ordering from people before, you know, I just said I'm going to stay with them. And what we all have been waiting for. I ordered a 50 by 50, but it looked like they turned it into a 60 by 40. So I'm very appreciative that they did, because I only paid for the 50 by 50. But I am making them a lot of money, so I guess they're going to do that one favor for me. But here's the family. This is on Mother's Day one year, and here are these. So that's the picture of me and my family. And here are these. A lot of colors, guys. So I'm going to try to show you guys this canvas. And I told you guys, the bigger you get it, the more detail it's going to be. I was not kidding. Look at that. So I told you guys. And they got everything in so much detail. And the whole canvas is done. It's going to be done. So yes, you guys. I'm going to have fun doing that. And I don't know if you guys saw, but I got my little nieces in and I did hers. Look at my boop 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 boop. Okay, it was so pretty. That's my little bad boop boom. You guys, who wouldn't want to look at these canvases on the wall? My mom, she was like, Jamie, that's a good idea. You're gonna do one on mine? I'm like, oh. So she want me to order the pictures and do, yes, mother. I don't ever tell her no, so I guess I'll be ordering stuff for her wall. You guys, that is a great idea. This is a great gift, birthday gift, Christmas gift. Anybody would appreciate that you went ahead and put your time into doing this painting, and then they have this end result. And yeah, very good. So let me show you guys the new drill pens that I got in. I got more coming with my logos on them, but I guess it's so many they haven't finished doing logos yet on them. Okay, so here's one. I ordered these in so many colors and so many things, but these are the ones I just got back first. and I got a lot of them, but I'm only putting 4 on here. But these are like squishy, and it has a little weight to them, and I already turned them into drill pins, and it comes with the top. So that's one. I really love them. I'm calling them Blue Donut. Then I got these kitties, a bunch of them, and look at that. And they also got like the boot, the foot, and the tail on the bottom. And you pull the top off, and I've already turned them into drill pins. Isn't that cute? And then it got like the paws all over them. But yeah, they're so cute, and they stand up, you guys. But these are the colors that I have. So it's like an aqua, a white, a pink, and a tan. Then I have these. So I have a red, a light pink, and a purple. These are so cute, you guys. And like I said, they got the matte finish. So they're like really shiny. And then this is so comfortable in the hand to do the drill pin with. And then I got this tutorial. I think it's tutorial, you guys. But that's his pen. And I ordered more in a different kind than this, and they didn't come yet. So, and how you do the drill pin is you take this off. You put this on the bottom, and then this is a really long pen. And you just put him on the bottom with an umbrella. So yes, you guys, these are my newest drill pens that will be added to the store. My website, I keep calling it a store. My website. But yeah, so super cute. And then these, you know they're cute. Meow. I think their faces are so cute. Like one got the closed eyes with a hair bow. One has open eyes. One is winking with the hair bow. And then this one has open eyes too. So yeah, I took pictures of them, and I'm going to upload them to the site, so they should be ready for purchase and to be shipped out. These are so cute, you guys. They look just like a regular blue, but it's like a sea green blue, and it's like see-through. The pen see-through, and so is these are like gummies. Love them. So yes, you guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up these videos, and as always, always, always have a blessed day. Leave your questions and comments in the bottom below, and as always, my website will be in the description bar below. The little triangle right up under the video to where you can click the link to go to my website. So yeah, bye.